Namaskar. Today we have Colonel Shomi Swathan Krishnan, mother of Nia, with us. Ma'am, since you have got your child admitted, Nia admitted here in the month of March. So I just want to know, like you both are in army, you and sir. Okay. So what made you to think and get your child admitted here in Matrix? Like why did you choose Matrix?
Yeah, actually, since we both are in the army, and so we have a very busy schedule, so we do not have time to look after our child. So we were looking for some stability because she is now in 10th, her crucial years now, 10th, 11th, and 12th. So we were looking for some residential school wherein she can study and she gets some focused attention.
Right.
So I was like browsing through various colleges, going through their websites. So I came across Matrix, and wherein I saw that the founder and the faculty are mostly, they are IITians and from NITs. So I also spoke to the founder, wherein I found it very convincing. I thought it's a small place, in the school is located in the outskirts with such good faculty who have already gone through the whole process, so they would be the right mentors for my child.
Right.
So that is how I homed on to this school, probably because of the faculty.
Because of the faculties.
Yeah.
Okay. And now, like, after admitting Nia here, what is your experience? Like, whatever expectations you were having from MHS before the admission, are they fulfilled?
Well, yeah, I got her admitted in March 23.
Okay.
What I felt was the management is like very approachable here. Firstly, yeah, like they are just a call away. If there's any, since we both are serving and we are in different location. Like my husband is in Himachal, I am in Gujarat, and Nia is our only child. So yes, we are certainly concerned about her education, her stay, and her overall growth. So what I felt was the management is very, very approachable, and they are actually just a call away. And it's mostly like I just have to speak about my concern, and it is always attended to. Secondly, I saw that the faculty, the teachers, they treat children like like their own
Oh,
child,
right.
and they give focused attention. Even after school hours, you have study classes. The routine out here, right from morning to evening, is something which would I felt would discipline my child, would prepare her for the challenges ahead. So like overall development, it also at the school also caters for, like if you want to do some extracurricular. I think there are good about 18, 19
Sports sports
facility available
facilities are
in the
there,
school, and
and
there's
for
also
every
music.
sport we have like well experienced and dedicated coaches as well.
Yes, that's what. And even the teachers, they are there to tell that we are there for the child. You need not worry, and we are taking care of her. So I'm all the more, I feel relaxed that yes, if I'm not able to give time, at least I've got a good environment for my child.
Right. So you mean to say that like after admitting your child, you are fully satisfied from the hostel facilities, whatever the hostel routine the students are following, and everything kind of.
Yes, yes, I'm pretty satisfied with the teaching staff, with the hostel facilities, the dining facilities, the extracurricular facilities. Yes, the school is doing their bit, giving their best. It is not that you have promised something else and there's something else on the ground. No, I'm pretty confident my child would have good mentor. With the help of mentors, she would face the challenges of the world, and
And
I'm
one more
surely.
thing, I think you must be feeling very comfortable because of the personal counseling system.
Yes,
Generally,
yes,
schools do
yes.
not have the concept of
Ye-
personal counseling.
Yes, yes, certainly. I mean, say, let it be anything. Let it be the management. Let it be the teachers. Let it be the wardens. I mean, say, at any time of the day, everybody is approachable. If I have
Right.
any issue with the hostel, or if my child is not well, if there's any issue with the food or anything, I just have to give a call, and the issue is
Matter is
addressed.
resolved. Right, right.
There's somebody giving a call and addressing the issue, and taking care of the concern. I mean, so this is very rare in schools, isn't it? That's what I feel. So I'm kind of happy, and I feel that yes. And it's moreover, it's in the outskirts. The school is located, it's a small town. and where the environment is like, you know, they are more academically focused. Yes, so that is what is required, I think, in this stages, especially in 10th, 11th, 12th, wherein the focus has to be on
Academics mode.
I know there's a lot of pressure, but still, you know, there's quite a bit of balance between, you know, studying and the stress involved in
Stress
it.
involved,
Yeah,
right,
try to
right.
kind of maintain a balance out here. Yes, overall, I'm happy. I mean, I'm not at all worried now about my child. This is what I can tell you, because I feel that yes, I'm giving her a bit whatever I could.
Okay.
Whatever best I could, I have done for her. Like, you know, otherwise, mostly, you know, you are, if you know, select a place like Delhi, I do not know how safe it is.
Safe it is.
What kind of students would be there, you know, so all those things. So I wanted my child to be in a smaller place where, you know, things are more focused, disciplined, personal attention is there. So it's a
So
mix
that
of
means
everything.
all your expectations are met.
Yes, yes. I
Okay.
am thoroughly
Thank you
satisfied.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Pleasure so
much for
much.
your
Nice meeting you.